The world came to a standstill as Microsoft Windows 10 faced an outage across the globe. A disruption in Microsoft's Azure cloud services caused significant damage across various industries. The impact was first felt in the central US region as computers began showing death error screens. Airports, banks, businesses, stocks, and IT professionals witnessed blue screens as Microsoft scrambled to find the cause of what might be the biggest IT outage in history. According to the tech giant, the massive outage was caused due to a new CrowdStrike update. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity software firm that detects and blocks hacking threats. The company's software comes integrated with Microsoft Windows. CrowdStrike's recent update to the company's Falcon sensor left numerous PCs stuck at the recovery screen. The outage caused computers to unexpectedly shut down or restart, leaving users hanging. Microsoft came out to explain that the outage was an isolated issue and a fix has already been deployed for recovery. Absolute madness unfolded at airports as airlines struggled to continue services as screens went blank. More than 1,000 flights were cancelled and passengers stranded as the massive outage took airlines by surprise. Boarding scanners went offline, no access to online boarding passes, check-in disrupted, and huge queues were seen at airports. Airlines resorted to complete manual services to contain the chaos that was erupting. Numerous passengers in Spain, Germany, India, and the US missed flights. The technical glitch also took a toll on global stock markets. Upset traders took to social media platforms seeking compensation for the brokerages for their financial losses. Businesses were majorly affected in India, the US, Europe, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. With no solution in hand, IT companies were forced to take the day off due to Microsoft's glitch. The cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike soon confirmed the problem in a support note and provided a temporary solution to its customers. A 4-step instruction on how to manually reboot systems were issued to users globally. Microsoft and CrowdStrike jointly worked to figure out a permanent fix to the disastrous glitch. Within a few hours, Microsoft claimed that it fixed the underlying cause for the global outage. Microsoft's fix has not provided immediate relief to its customers, as some of Microsoft's apps and services are still malfunctioning.